Hello and welcome back. Well, final update. The car is done. The monster truck. He has his wheels. He has a happy driver. It was a fun little build. Is there a red one? I need it. Yeah, overall, well, get back here. It's a nice little one. If you're starting to build a city and you like Lego style cities, not realistic, then he fits in. If you like the video, bounce on the like button. If you want to support the channel, please subscribe, it's free. And if you want to share this video or the other videos, shorts, go ahead and leave a comment. Well, see you next time, people. Goodbye.